Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to upload longer videos on Instagram Reels. If you are using Instagram and you want to create or upload longer videos as your Instagram Reels, let's see how can you do that. So Instagram has Reels just an update, so you have to open your app store, go for search and search for Instagram, and you have to try to update your Instagram app. So once you have updated your Instagram apps, after updating you will be able to upload up to 90 seconds long video on as your Instagram reel. So Instagram has just released this feature, so you can easily get that after updating your app. So after updating, you can easily upload 90 seconds long video, or you can also create multi-clip reels up to 3 minutes long and even longer videos up to 20 minutes can be uploading through the post option. So in this way, you can easily upload up to a longer videos up to 90 seconds on Instagram by updating your Instagram app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.